Good morning, Dan and Hazel. And here along the boardwalk of Neptune Beach, conditions are already starting to intensify. We are feeling the heavy winds already, certainly an indication that Hurricane Lee could make landfall at any point this weekend. Now, we do see some people out on the boardwalk getting in some last minute exercise and enjoying whatever they can. But you can see I'm bundled up. It's chilly out here. It's windy. And we know that the impacts of Hurricane Lee could certainly play a part in what's to come here in Long Beach Island. Heavy winds and rain around Bermuda as Hurricane Lee passes through the Atlantic Ocean, inching closer to the northeast. On Long Island,
We come about every week, but we could never suspect that the water would come this far up.
coastal town residents brace for Lee's impact. Although Lee isn't expected to directly hit the tri-state area, it could cause problems along coastal communities.
Don't let the sun and blue skies fool you, because within the next 48 hours, right where we stand is going to be filled with water.
In the town of Hempstead, officials are preparing for high surf, deadly rip currents, and beach erosion. Crews filling payloaders with sand to create piles that would help mitigate coastal flooding. Governor Kathy Hochul deployed 50 National Guard members to Long Island to help.
We've been actually getting all of our storm drains cleaned, primarily with a focus on the South Shores in anticipation of flooding. You know, we want to make sure they're not clogged.
The NYC Emergency Management Department issued an advisory for potentially hazardous beach conditions and coastal flooding. The department turned to social media, urging city residents to remain alert and take preparedness actions, particularly those in coastal areas. Now, we will keep a close eye on conditions here from Long Beach, and we'll also tell you out in New Jersey, while police are playing close eye on people who may be going to the beach during the heavy tide currents. We know that they've been problematic all season long, with many rescues happening, and certainly this weekend the same goes into effect. If you go to a beach, there's no lifeguard on duty, you could be faced with a summons. So keep that in mind and just play it safe all weekend long. We're live on Neptune Beach, Long Island. I'm Rebecca Solomon, Pix 11 News.